Just a little bit of WD-40 to kind of help lubricate it. Nothing crazy. Okay, so this video is for people with a twin scroll or divided exhaust port on their housing. Like that. So if it's like that and you come into the problem where, you know, it won't cut the middle out because there's a piece of cast right there. So what we did is we cut a slit in the little ear that won't cut out, and then we just tap it with a 5-pound hammer. So we'll come back and we'll show you that. Always wear a face shield. I'm being an ignorant prick right now. Just like that. Just like that. Just work that with a belt sander or whatever the hell you got. Then you can square it out. As you can tell, it got it pretty damn good. This isn't final fitment either. We still got to sand down all this little bit of rust too. So yeah, we're gonna get it all ready to fit it up. It actually fits like perfectly flush. So what I was thinking is right here, we'll throw a tack from here to the wall, you know, on both sides, and then it should let it sit up about perfectly where we need it. And then we'll throw a level on it, and boom. Got our badass Everlast 325 EXT out. Absolutely love this thing. We did tack these. All we got right now is some propane, so we've been going at it for long minutes on end, but I just kind of filled up that gap, and now our V-band has something to sit up on. So now we'll tack it on one side and tack it on the other, set a level on it, see where it's at, and then preheat it again and weld it out. Okay, we got it all preheated and tacked on. We're gonna start welding all around it. I just want to show you guys. That's how you do it. So now we'll get to welding. We'll weld it all out. I'll show you the end product here. Our V-band is all welded. We are gonna post heat this now. Okay, so we used a 309 filler rod, and you just want to be careful with how you preheat it. You just want to preheat it around 250 degrees and make sure like the whole housing is hot, and then post heat it once you're done around 300, 400 degrees and just let it slowly cool down. You usually want to use an oven or something like that, but if you don't have stuff like that, you can get away with it. As you can tell, it's not cracked. Okay, so things might look a little weird, but we might have messed up and grabbed the wrong V-band and welded it to the housing. So we grabbed the right one that fit our wastegate and welded it to that existing V-band. So now we have our finished product, which it actually turned out pretty dang good. So if you accidentally do that, there's a way you can fix it besides welding a pipe to it, like a lot of guys do. This just keeps it shorter and, you know, out of the way of everything. But yeah, if you guys like this video, please subscribe. Go follow our Facebook at Hoodie Brothers Auto and Fabrication.